The structure of atom. Discovery of what is an atom. The atom was discovered by a scientist named Dalton. Matter is an entity which has mass and occupation. He said that every matter is made up of small particles called atom. Discovery of proton in 1886. The protons was discovered by E. Goldstein. Proton is a part of atom which carries a positive charge. He used a cathode ray tube with holes to perform the experiment. He passed a canal minus rays from the anode side opposite to the cathode rays. The change to mass ratio of the hydrogen ions was the highest among all gases. Hence, he proved the existence of proton. The experiment was known as canal rays experiment. Third, the discovery of electron, 1897. The electrons were discovered by J.J. Thomson. He first filled the cathode ray tube with a gas. Then he increased the pressure using the vacuum pump. These cathode rays were negative. Using the experiment, he proved the existence of electrons. The experiment was known as cathode ray experiment. Number 4. J.J. Thomson's model, 1898. J.J. Thomson suggested a model of atom. He said that the electrons were like raisins and seeds in a positive speakers for lights, watermelon, and pie. But his model did not meet the requirement of model science. Number 5. Rutherford gold foil experiment, 1911. The experiment was done by Rutherford. He passed a ray particles to the gold foil which they went by different directions. Most of the ray passed through it, which proves that the atom is somewhere defected, which shows that a positive energy has very little particles. One of out it wasn't 200 apart to round it, which shows the positive charge as very. Number 6, Rutherford's model, 1911. Rutherford suggested a new model of atom by refusing the J.J. Thomson's model. He said that the positive ions will be the middle of the atom known as nucleus, and the negative ions will remove around the nucleus. Many people accepted his model of atom, but some people started questioning. They asked now how do electrons have the energy to always revolve around the nucleus. Rutherford couldn't explain this. 7. Bohr's explanation. Neil Bohr told that the Rutherford's model was a perfect model, but the electron's energy concept was not well explained by him. He also stated the electrons will move to a different orbits by addition of energy, and also that when it comes back to its same orbit with removal of energy. 8. The discovery of neutron, 1932. These neutrons were discovered by Sir James Chadwick. He conducted an experiment in which he bonded beryllium with alpha particles. This resulting radio shows high protein through a which shows the existence of neutral charge. Now the structure of atom is that there are 3 subatoms known as protons, electrons, and neutrons. Protons and neutrons, small region known as nucleus. While the electrons remove around the electrons orbits.